Guys, happy Saturdays. Look what I got. I gotta touch up some paint apparently. I just painted it, scraped some off I guess. Got it all torn down. Bearings. Leaving the bearings in. Bearings look pretty good. But I am replacing the seals because they were leaking. And here's the other one too. So, put new seals in it. Pretty sure the spring's supposed to be inside there like that. Yeah. But anyways, we got new ones, so I'm putting the new ones on, calling it good. Just thought I'd do a quick update here, show you how far I've gotten. Yeah. Stupid paint. Get off of there. Getting ready to put her back together, so that goes on like that. Oh, new seals are over here. Get them put on. Yeah, hopefully I'll have this thing put back together today. I'm at reassembly. Everything's painted that I wanted painted. Everything's apart as far down as I had planned to take it apart. So now I'm just going to put the new parts in and hopefully get her back together. Then tomorrow, maybe tonight, most likely tomorrow, I'll take it back over and get it reinstalled. So now that's the update for now. Haven't done much besides finish tearing it down. Which hardest part was getting this guy out. It was jammed up inside there. So I'm surprised that the bearings look as good as they do. So no wear on them really. It's a good thing. I guess this thing would be pretty well lubricated considering it pumps hydraulic fluid around. So alrighty, I will probably have another one up later tonight. So we'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.